Hello, grade 3. This is Miss Sally, and our lesson today is about Khan al Khalili. Khan al Khalili is a place in Egypt. It's in Old Cairo. So, if I ask you where is Khan al Khalili or where can you see Khan al Khalili, the answer is it's in the heart of Old Cairo. It's about 600 years old. So this place is not new. It's very old, 600 years old. When you visit or go to Khan al-Khalili, you will find many markets of jewelry and fabric, perfume, and spice. So when I ask you, what can you see in Khan al-Khalili or what can you find? The answer is, we can find many markets for jewelry, fabric, perfume, and spice. When you need to take a break, you can go to the restaurants and cafes where you can take a break from shopping and have pizzas and coffee. So we go to the restaurant to eat and we go to the cafe to have coffee or tea or drinks. We have some questions here. Number 1, how old is Khan al-Khalili? The answer is it's about 600 years old. Number 2, what can you buy there? The answer is I can buy fabric, perfume, and spice. Where can you take a break? The answer is we can take a break at restaurants or cafes. We have some questions here about the past simple tense. What did you do yesterday? After did, we need to use the infinitive verb. Number 2, what space Walid do yesterday? Yesterday is a keyword of the past tense. So the helping verb we need to use here is did. What did Walid do yesterday? Number 3, what did Amina do yesterday? Again, it's like number 1. We use the infinitive verb. The infinitive verb of do or does or did is do. Number 4, we need to make a question. What did your sisters do yesterday? Next, we have another lesson here. The title is A Trip to the Museum. What is the meaning of trip? Trip is when you go from one place to another place to see new places or to enjoy your time. You can go by car, by bus, by train, or by plane. We call it a trip. A trip to the museum. What is the museum? It's a big place where you can see very old things or ancient things. Let's read the lesson together. I visited the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. Where is the Egyptian Museum? It's in Cairo. Yesterday. So this sentence is in the past simple tense. How did you know that? Because we have the verb plus ed and the keyword is yesterday. Again, I visited the Egyptian Museum in Cairo yesterday with my school. We traveled to the museum by bus. So if I ask you, how did they or how did you go to the museum? The answer is by bus. We saw beautiful gold and silver jewelry from ancient Egypt. So if I ask, what did you see there? You can say gold and silver jewelry. And again, this sentence is in the past simple tense. We have the verb saw. It's the past of see. The infinitive verb is see and the past is saw. We looked at Tutankhamun's necklaces and bracelets. Necklaces. You can wear or put on the necklace around your neck. And bracelets. You can wear the bracelet around your wrist. They were awesome. Awesome means wonderful or amazing. I loved the museum. I was very excited. Excited means very happy. I bought some jewelry from the museum shop. Museum shop is a place where you can buy some jewelry or antiques from there. For my grandma, what did you buy or what did he buy from the jewelry from the museum shop? He bought some jewelry. I had a great day at the museum. Let's answer these questions together. We have some verbs here. We need to use these verbs in the past tense. Last Friday, our class went to Luxor Museum. So number one is already answered. The verb is go and the past of go, went. We space by train. We traveled. Travel plus ed, traveled. We traveled by train because it's fast and safe. The train is fast and safe. We space the statue of Amenhotep. Third, we looked at. We use the verb look at. We add ed to change the verb from the present tense to the past tense. And the mummies of Ahmose first and Ramses first. We spaced there for 3 hours. We stayed there for 3 hours. The verb is stay plus ed. We stayed there for 3 hours. We spent a really great time at the museum. We had. The past of have is had. We had a really great time. Thank you, grade 3. This is our lesson for today. See you next time.